Welcome to the class, Trumpet Gym, a daily workout for beginner brass. This series is aimed at beginner brass, but if you're a complete beginner, like never picked an instrument up before, or perhaps haven't even got an instrument yet, you need to go back and find one of my other classes, which is how to play trumpet from scratch, because that takes you through a lot of the fundamentals and very basic essentials that I'm not going to go through again in this series of classes. So if you're a complete beginner, go back and find how to play trumpet from scratch and then come back here afterwards. If you've already done how to play trumpet from scratch, or you already know a little bit about playing, welcome, this is the place for you. So Trumpet Gym is available as a paperback, it's available as an e-book in all sorts of stores, including library stores like Scribd. You don't need to have a copy of the book. It would be very helpful if you do, but you don't need to. I will make the individual exercises available for download as a complement to this course. Trumpet Gym is basically a daily workout, and it's based on the concept that there are several physical things that we need to condition as brass players in order to be able to play and develop. So what Trumpet Gym does, it takes 4 essential exercises and develops them over a course of 8 separate worksheets. And the idea is that you play the 4 exercises every day for at least a week until you've mastered them. When you've mastered them, you turn over to the next set of exercises and you'll find the same 4 exercises but more difficult, and you will do this over a period of 8 worksheets designed to last at least 8 weeks, but certainly much longer in many cases is fine. So you're going to find one video for each of the 4 exercises and a brief explanation, and then you'll be able to see me demonstrate them, point you in the right direction with some hints and tips before you go off and practice them on your own. Good luck and enjoy.